So you've been writing notes, or you did a big brainstorming session, and now you've got 1,000,001 ideas of your story, and you want to know what to do to make sense of it all? What's next? Well, I'm sorry to say, you need to outline. What? Don't be scared. I love outlining, okay? I do. I really do. And my hope is that after this, you'll love it too. First off, why should we outline in the first place? Well, it makes the process a whole lot faster. I'm talking light speed faster. You'll know your ending ahead of time, so you can drop hints, set up surprises, and all sorts of fun things like that. It helps fight against writer's block, and no one likes writer's block. You know. Also, you can focus on the quality of your writing instead of wondering or worrying about where to go next. A story outline is a beautiful thing. I'm going to give you a quick list of different ways you can outline. I'm also going to share and explain my favorite way to outline, because it's fun. You can do a simple bullet point list. You can go chapter by chapter. You can sketch your outline if you know how to draw, or you can use software like Scrivener. Simple table outline. You can use the snowflake method, skeletal method. You can use a template, or you can use a reverse outline if you want to go backwards for some reason. My personal favorite way to outline is the sticky note method. And here is how it works. You get yourself some sticky notes, or you can use cue cards. You clear off your table or a wall. If you're using sticky notes, you can use the wall, because cue cards on a wall is insane. Now here's what you're going to do. Write out absolutely every idea you have for your story, but each idea gets its own sticky note or card. It can be a location, a plot point, or a character. Every little idea gets its own note. Once you're done, you lay out everything on the surface you cleared and start moving notes around to try and figure out the order of events. Like when a certain character shows up for the first time, when they arrive at a certain location, when an item is discovered or used, whatever. Take your time and try different combinations. Soon you'll get a sense of where things should go. You'll be able to see it all laid out clearly in front of you, and it'll take all the mess out of your mind. You'll be like, oh, this thing has to come after this scene because of whatever reason. That makes sense in your story. I find it a lot of fun and so much less frustrating because everything is out of my head and sitting in front of me. One more tip, don't be afraid to add ideas if they come up while you're trying to organize everything. They almost certainly will. So write them down and just add them to the chaos. And one more thing, don't be discouraged if you can't figure out where everything should go. Set aside the ones that don't fit in yet and try again later when you have more ideas or a clear picture of your story. Get outlining. It's fun. Let me know what you're working on in the comments. I'd love to know. Like this video if you found this helpful, and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you next time.